I am the handmaid of the Lord. Here, in this testimony, we were listening Cheryl Caroline Norona, how she has got cured for her ovarian cyst, and again there is some serious stomach pain she has got. For both, for the stomach pain they suggested operation, surgery, but because of the excess of fluid was there for 4 months, there were fluid, and she was having such a heavy pain and all. But for 4 days, within 4 days, that fluid has no more there. That's what the scanning report told us. So for her, she is a speech therapist. She is working as a speech therapist, isn't it? So whenever in her professional life also, how she is witnessing God, she spoke here. First of all, when she came here, she was not at all ready to take covenant because she was afraid. How can she do all the instructions, what all the things are saying here? But now, she herself experienced the touching hands of God. So now she herself is propagating the covenant prayer, and whatever comes in her way, for each and everything, she herself has an answer, that Mother Mary is there and Kripasanam is there. So we don't want to worry for anything. Now when she proclaimed her testimony here, she says that in whatever situations she lives, all the situations she is proclaiming God to her friends and in her profession, and all the circumstances, what all the circumstances she gets, she proclaims God. So let us clap our hands and glorify God.
അത്യപൂർവ ദൈവാനുഭവങ്ങൾ ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്കും സ്വന്തം.